Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to grow an avocado tree from a seed. First, select a healthy avocado seed and wash it well to remove any fruit residue. Next, insert 3 or 4 toothpicks evenly around the middle of the seed. These toothpicks will act as a support system. Finally, suspend the seed, pointed end facing upwards, over a glass of water, ensuring the bottom 1/3 of the seed is submerged. Place it in a warm spot with indirect sunlight. Once your seed is set up, it's crucial to change the water every few days to keep it fresh and prevent any mold from forming. Patience is key during this stage. You should start to see roots and a sprout emerge from the top of the seed within 2 to 6 weeks. Continue to maintain consistent water levels, ensuring the bottom of the seed remains submerged for healthy development. This consistent care is vital for successful sprouting. When your avocado seedling stem reaches about 6 to 7 inches in height and it has a good root system, it's time to transplant it. Choose a pot with excellent drainage, ideally 8 to 10 inches in diameter, filled with rich potting soil. Carefully plant the seedling, burying the seed halfway into the soil, leaving the top half exposed. Water it thoroughly after transplanting to help it settle into its new home. To ensure your avocado tree thrives, water it regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Good drainage is essential to prevent root rot. Place your plant in a location where it receives plenty of bright, indirect sunlight, ideally at least 6 hours per day. As it grows, you might need to prune it to encourage bushier growth. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.